Hey guys, so welcome to this unboxing for a Sonos Play 1 wireless speaker from Sonos, and I'm connecting it to a Flexson extender there. Always read the manual, very important. Comes with quite a cool pamphlet here. It's all in different technicolor stuff there, quite artistic. Comes in this, looks a bit like Pac-Man, don't you think? Pac-Man. So it comes in a nice sheath. I think I bought this second hand, I can't remember. I bought one of them second hand, and this is the figure of 8 cable. It's got like a 90-degree thing, and the cable length is about 1.8 meters in length. It's got an Ethernet cable. This is about 1.5 meters from memory. Pull the sheath off. Comes in a nice little bag. You can put your cat litter in if you do have a cat or a dog. Dog shit or cat shit works in that bag. It's got a nice. It's quite hefty. Heft to it. Nice metal frame there. Quality. Packed up kind of electronics box. It just has that Ethernet cable.
It's quite heavy.
And yeah, that's pretty much it. You just kind of chuck them in the corner and forget about it, really, with these speakers. So they are kind of good if you want to buy something second hand.
It's got a nice feel to it. Things which apparently will leave marks on your wood table. Basic keys, cheap feeling. Not touch or anything like that.